Yo, yo, guys, it's Manny, FourFingerFireworks again. We're less than a week away, man. It's Sunday. What we got, 6 days, CJ?
Yes, we do.
6 days, man. So, another new one for this year. A banger for us. The Skullhouse, 16 shots, nice family cake every day. But it's got a little something at the end, man. Coming out to FourFingerFireworks style. Thanks for cake. Support them always.
What the fuck?